Setting up an online election through SE-Link is really easy. First, you want to log into SE-Link and then go to your organization page. Select Manage Organization. Then you will select Elections from the hamburger menu on the left side. And then select Create Election. Next, you will fill in your election details and select Save. Next, you will need to create a ballot. Select the blue button on the right and create a name for your ballot. Click on Save. Next, you will select the type of question that you want to ask and fill in your question and your possible answers. Click OK. Once you have created all of your questions and you are ready to publish your election, you can simply go to Publish Options and you'll have your election link that you can share through social media or email. After your election, you can check results by the Results tab. You can simply look with your ballot votes, and then you can also export all your votes as needed to share.